In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Docusign link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned Docusign user or a newcomer eager to streamline your document signing process, this simple guide will walk you through the exact steps necessary to create a link that allows for seamless electronic signatures. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Docusign website. If you haven't visited before, the website is your one-stop destination for managing electronic agreements with ease. Once there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you're not yet registered, take a moment to sign up and then log in with your new credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is the hub for all your document management tasks, from sending documents to tracking signatures. Look for the admin button. It's normally found in the main navigation menu at the top of the page. Clicking this will direct you to a new dashboard specifically for administrative tasks. In the admin dashboard, locate the section labeled Permission Profiles. This area is crucial as it houses all the settings for who can do what in your Docusign account. Within this section, you want to search for signing settings. This is where you'll configure the fundamental options related to how documents can be signed by recipients. Now you need to enable the signing settings by clicking on Signing Settings. This might display a list of various settings options. Scroll through them until you find one entitled Link. Selecting this is pivotal because it allows you to generate the link you'll need for document signing. Once you have clicked on Link, you should see options to generate your desired link. Pay close attention to these settings as they control how and where your documents can be signed. If the options seem overwhelming, take it one step at a time, ensuring all required fields are completed accurately. Double check everything at this point. Make sure the permissions and settings match your intended workflow and requirements. Once you're satisfied, finalize the process. With everything in place, you should have successfully generated your Docusign link. This concise, step-by-step guide should help you efficiently navigate through the process. Keep in mind that having a link handy not only expedites your operations, but also improves the signing experience for your recipients. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy signing!